Just another night in California. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. True Jamaican Vibes, people. One love and one heart, you know. So right now I am in Lacovia. Gonna make a left turn. Take you all to Burnt Savannah mountainside, also to Jamaica Zoo. So keep on watching True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Yeah man, so we're in Lacovia. You can make a close run to Slipe. You can go also to Newton, Hart, and them place there. But the direction where I'm heading right now, I'm heading to, can take you all to Burnt Savannah, Knoxwood, Orange Grove, Round Hill and Mountainside, you know? Yeah man. And this is where you can find the Jamaica Zoo also. Yes, my paper. This is where you can also find Palmbrook Estate in Lacovia. Yeah man, and also very close to Lacovia Police Station. So Lacovia Police Station is right on the right. Make the next right turn will take you all back to the old Lacovia Bridge and also to Slipe and also to Holland Bamboo. So on your right you have the Ebenezer Missionary Church. So I am in Button. Very close to Jamaica Zoo. Very close to Palmbrook Estate also. So them part of them call the countryside of Jamaica, you know? So on your left, that's where you have the Jamaica Zoo. So you all need to come to Jamaica Zoo in Lacovia and you see different types of animals. can look right over into Palmbrook Estate. Depends from the heights you're from. So welcome to the entrance on the main road of Palmbrook Estates. Palmbrook would be on your right. So this, as you can see, the scenery of Palmbrook on the main road. This is how Palmbrook look like on the main. But you can check my playlist, you will see different videos of Palmbrook Estates. Them place I will call up as so an old past stop. Yeah man, we're up on the road there for hold the road, you know? Hold the road. You have the Love Symbol HQ music machine, them big sound, they big up Love Symbol HQ, you know? Big up Love Symbol anyway they over the world. Music machine sound good. on the right you have the Baptist Church.